Behind the success of Kanyao are the cocina ladies who are very responsible in cooking the coffee and rice. And we have here also the cocina boys down where they cook the rice. This is where they cook the rice in that place. And that will serve as a food. And hindi ka igorot kung hindi ka nag-a-attend ng kanyaw. Sa amin dito is we are the tribe of Ibaloy wherein we really practice this kind of tradition, kanyaw. And for those who do not know this, kanyaw is usually done in the memory of our loved ones. It seems just like an anniversary, right? But sharing the food together with the community. And contrary with what other Filipinos know, that kanyaw is a witchcraft. No, it's not. Sabi ng iba, pag may atraso sa'yo yung isa, papakanyaw kita eh. But they don't know that ang kanyaw is enjoyable. You eat, tapos mag-bring ka pa ng meat na wat-wat pag uwi. But be careful. Huwag kang huwag kang kukuha ng 3 plato sa okasyon na ganyan. Kasi 3 multo ang susunod sa iyo. Babawiin nila yung karne na kinuha mo kasi mag-isa mo lang. It's a joke. Pero ito talaga ang ginagawa namin. Ang tawag sa sayaw na yan is tayaw. At yung ng sulibaw and the gongs. And ito talaga ang kasiyahan ng mga Ibaloy. And pag sa kanyaw, parang ito yung reunion ng mga taong hindi nagkikita kasi usually people in the mountains are very busy person. Early in the morning, they really go to the farm. And buti nga ngayon may cellphone. We communicate in cellphone. And then this is the occasion where we see each other, we laugh together, we eat together. O diba? Tapos may take home pa na what-what. Magta-take home ka pa ng karne. Yung mga tita na nag-attend ng kanyaw. Nagpapakute na sila. Ayun, pa-cute. Ayan. And these are the ones who makes the occasion happy. Ayan. Unlimited alak yan. Kaya, tingnan mo nangyari. May mga lasing. Ganyan talaga. But even though may mga lasing, wala naman kaguluhan. They just enjoy it. No, I mean, we just enjoy. We laugh together. Because later we will be eating. And that's the essence of being an Ibaloy and being an Igorot here in the mountains. Kaya kung hindi ka pa nag-a-attend ng kanyaw, tapos Igorot ka, you are not a real Igorot kasi hindi mo pa natitikman yung take home na what-what. And as I have said, pag kumakain ka sa mga kanyaw, isa lang na plato ang kukunin mo. Huwag kang kumuha ng madami. Mag-isa mo, 3 plato kukunin mo kasi 3 multo ang susunod sa'yo. Babawiin nila yung karne mo.